Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The world of photography is abuzz with whispers of Sony's potential game changers. The Sony A7R6 and Sony A7V. With official details under wraps, speculation about these cameras has electrified the photography community. If the rumors hold true, Sony is set to revolutionize the high-resolution and hybrid camera markets yet again. Let's explore the speculated features, compare them to Sony's current models, and consider the potential impact on the industry. The Sony A7R6. A new benchmark in resolution. Rumored to house an 80-megapixel full-frame sensor, the Sony A7R6 could break new ground in image resolution and performance. If realized, this camera would cater to professionals seeking unparalleled detail for genres like landscape, product, and commercial photography. Speculated features. Ultra-high resolution sensor. The headline feature is the rumored 80-megapixel backside illuminated sensor. This leap in resolution would allow for incredible detail, offering creative possibilities for cropping and large-format printing. A stacked sensor design might also be introduced, enhancing readout speeds, minimizing rolling shutter distortion, and improving burst rates. Advanced autofocus. Sony is expected to refine its already excellent autofocus system, likely incorporating AI-driven tracking for better performance with complex subjects such as wildlife and sports. Enhanced image stabilization. The A7R6 could offer up to 8 stops of in-body image stabilization, making it a powerhouse for handheld shooting in challenging conditions. Video capabilities. Videographers may benefit from 8K recording with reduced rolling shutter and improved dynamic range, catering to those who need cinematic-grade footage. Build and connectivity. The A7R6 is expected to feature robust weather sealing, ensuring durability in diverse environments. Enhanced connectivity options, including dual-band Wi-Fi, could facilitate faster wireless file transfers. Price and release speculation. Sony's flagship pricing strategy suggests the A7R6 could launch at a premium price point, likely around $3,500 to $4,000. With Sony's typical release timeline, the camera is anticipated to debut in late 2025. The Sony A7R5. A high bar to surpass. To understand the A7R6's potential, revisiting the Sony A7R5's features is essential. Released in 2022, the A7R5 remains a high-resolution marvel with 60-megapixel BSI sensor for sharp, detailed images, 8 stops of IBIS, aiding both photographers and videographers, 10 frames per second burst shooting, capturing fast-paced action in JPEG and RAW formats, 8K video recording at 24p and 4K at 60p, offering versatile options for filmmakers. Advanced autofocus with real-time subject recognition for humans, animals, and birds. The A7R5's versatile rear touchscreen, focus bracketing, and pixel shift multi-shot modes further elevate its functionality, making it a formidable benchmark for the rumored A7R6. The Sony A7V. Redefining hybrid excellence. While the A7R6 targets high-resolution photography, the Sony A7V is rumored to aim at hybrid performance, blending still photography and videography. Speculated features. Refined sensor technology. The A7V is expected to retain the 33-megapixel BSI sensor from the A7 IV, but with improvements in light sensitivity and noise reduction, enhancing low-light performance. Next-gen processor. A Bion's XR processor, possibly paired with AI capabilities, could deliver faster processing and smarter autofocus, including better real-time tracking and superior eye detection. Enhanced video performance. Rumors suggest 6K oversampling and 4K at 120 frames per second, providing filmmakers with cinematic quality and creative flexibility. The inclusion of advanced color profiles like S-Cinetone would further cater to professional videographers. Improved stabilization and durability. Up to 8 stops of IBIS, weather sealing, and dual card slots are expected, catering to professionals who demand reliability in challenging environments. Price and launch date. The A7V is speculated to be priced between $2,500 and $2,800, positioning it as a premium hybrid camera. An early 2025 release is anticipated, possibly as soon as January. Sony's competitive edge. The rumored A7R6 and A7V are set to face stiff competition from rivals like the Canon EOS R6 Mark II and Nikon Z6 II. Here's how Sony's offerings might stack up. Resolution. The A7R6's rumored 80-megapixel sensor would outshine most competitors, including the Canon EOS R6 Mark II, 24.2 MP, and the Nikon Z6 II, 24.5 MP, making it a go-to choice for detail-oriented photographers. Video capabilities. The A7 versus rumored 4K at 120 frames per second 6K oversampling could outpace Canon and Nikon's current video features, appealing to hybrid shooters. Stabilization. Both the A7R6 and A7V are expected to offer superior 8-stop IBIS, setting a new standard for handheld shooting. Autofocus. Sony's AI-driven real-time tracking is likely to outperform Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 and Nikon's phase detection AF, maintaining Sony's lead in autofocus innovation. Industry impact and future outlook. If the rumors are accurate, the Sony A7R6 and A7V could redefine their respective markets. The A7R6 would solidify Sony's leadership in ultra-high-resolution photography, catering to professionals demanding exceptional detail and dynamic range. The A7V would continue Sony's tradition of delivering versatile hybrid cameras, appealing to creators who need top-tier still and video performance in one device. Sony's continued innovation in sensor technology, AI integration, and video features positions the company as a leader in the mirrorless camera market. With these advancements, the A7R6 and A7V are poised to be game-changers, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in photography and videography. Conclusion. While details about the Sony A7R6 and A7V remain speculative, the rumored features have sparked excitement within the photography community. If these cameras deliver on their promises, they could set new benchmarks for resolution, hybrid performance, and innovation. For photographers and videographers alike, these models represent the next step in Sony's evolution, combining cutting-edge technology with user-focused functionality. Stay tuned for more updates, and prepare for a new era of creative possibilities in 2025.